Alright, YouTube, so I wanted to make a video that I just didn't know how to make for a while. Like, I've been thinking about this for quite some time. And, I usually have some sort of, I'll write on, like, paper, make a rough outline of a video I want to make, or switch tabs to Microsoft Word. And sometimes I'll make videos a few times before I make the final one, but I just don't know how to organize this, so it's just gonna go all out. I don't know where it's gonna go. It'll probably be all over the place, but whatever. So basically, it goes like this, and as you can tell by the title of the video. Sorry about that. As you can tell by the title of the video, it's going to have religious themes and extraterrestrial themes and so on and so forth. So basically, what I don't understand about us as humans is why do we believe in a God that wants to make us so special, and we're these special little snowflake race that he created in his own image, and we're just the center of everything. I don't know whether or not it's just something man needed to provide answers for himself. Maybe, maybe not. But with these strides in scientific research we're doing on other planets and our solar system, we're finding, more and more possibilities of life existing elsewhere. We thought we were even when I was a kid, we thought our planet wasn't was kind of special in its own regard that it can host life. And come 2 years ago, we're finding planets that are almost identical or 70% similar to the composition of Earth. I remember being a kid and hearing how it would be preposterous for life to exist on Mars, that we thought maybe it was like an identical Earth at the time, but it got destroyed by asteroids. And I've heard other theories saying that possibly Mars is what happens after a nuclear wasteland. I know some people personally that truly believe that there was a race on Mars that basically bombed itself to extinction as well as its entire planet. And I'm not totally sure if that's the case, but whatever. But, I think it just kind of shows how old these dogmas are when, we're supposed to be the center of everything. And when you look at the grand scheme of things, we're probably the backwoods of the universe. There's probably a reason that aliens haven't contacted us, and it's probably because we're very violent. I don't know. We haven't reached that mental capacity of just loving one another. Or maybe we're just some archaic entertainment for another species, and they have some sort of reality show where they laugh at us, and they just watch our wars for entertainment like we would watch a chicken fight or something. These other species probably wouldn't hold us in high regards. We like to think of ourselves as this sentient, all-knowing being. But when you really look at it, there's probably another race somewhere else in the universe that's at least a billion years ahead of us and probably looks at us no different than we would look at cattle or something. I just don't get, why we still believe in this when there would probably be races of extraterrestrials far better for the candidacy of a grand creator's favorite creation. If anything, I would think he would pay no mind to us. If anything, I think this creator being would probably shrug at us as maybe a half-assed creation. That he's just waiting for us to kill each other. Or maybe he made us with the expressed purpose to kill one another. I'm not sure. But I think that this kind of shows the human ego and showcases the violence we're capable of. This primal side of the human brain. Just read some of these parts of the Bible where you have to put lamb's blood on your door before you sleep so that Jehovah won't kill your baby. It's just archaic, butcherous madness. And we want to pass it off as some sort of benevolent being who made us with the purpose of being one of the best races ever. His crown creation, I would highly doubt it. That's about it, YouTube. I don't really know what to call this video. So, peace out, have a great Christmas, and subscribe.